guys, today's tutorial hi guys, on today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can trade on Binance. I'll be taking you through the Binance features and how you can be able to trade and do everything with your Binance platform. So I think it's very easy. If you're new to Binance and for sure you wish to learn a few things about the Binance trading platform, then you can come to once you come to Binance.com, then you just go to the footer side of the site. On here you will see the about us, where they will tell you about the site, what they do and stuff. You go to career, some of they're talking about some of the careers and some of the professions they like assist people, they help people do stuff like that. Business contacts, maybe if you want to list your project, if you want to apply to be listed on Binance, then you can actually apply here. The community, some of the Telegram channels, groups and stuff like that. You understand? Binance blog, they have a blog that they send weekly news and stuff like that. Also, like they give information on this blog. Then one important factor about this Binance site is um the terms and the conditions and stuff like that. Most times if you want to use a trading platform, it's better to like understand the terms of that trading platform, so you keep to um some of their strict rules and conditions of using a platform to avoid mistakes or being blocked or banned from using the site and stuff like that. Then they also have privacy and stuff. They have announcements that they give. You can check all these links, right? Notices and news and stuff like that. So on the on product here, you can see exchange. If you click here, just take you to the exchanger. They have an academy if you wish to learn how to trade or understand certain parts of their site. Then you can go through this academy, you get registered, and then you get to learn and stuff like that. They have BCF, they have a card, labs, they have launchpad. Basically, this launchpad is just the area of the site where before a project is listed, is is being like put added on this launchpad, and then there will be a room for people to commit their BNB or whatever coin that is going to be exchanged with the particular project that will be added here. And then they have research, you can do trust. So if you click here now on this trust wallet, it just takes you to trust wallet. And then these non-fungible tokens, NTF, there's NTF market and stuff like that. So you have download. If you click here, you should be able to download your apps and other related softwares used on the platform. They have desktop app, buy crypto. They have fees, institutional services. They have referral. Like it's just basically talking about the bonus you get for each user that register with your link and stuff like that. Then we have BNB, OTC trading, list application. So basically on these services, they're just telling you about the stuffs they do. You understand, and what you can actually get from them. You understand. So also on the support, there is a place that says give us feedback. This give us feedback is just an area where you can actually write the feedback of how they were able to serve you, you understand, stuff like that. So here learn by BNB, by BUSD. So like if a total learner and you just wish to come straight and you don't want to ask anybody how to buy some of these top tokens, right? You see it's listed here. And one important thing is this is how you know if a token is a strong token or not, or is a good project or not, or is a very strong coin to invest or hold or not. Look where they say learn here. You see that buy BNB, buy BUSD, buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum, buy Litecoin, buy Ripple, buy Bitcoin Cash, buy Dogecoin, buy DeFi, buy SHIB. You see, most people are underrating SHIB, but SHIB is one of the strongest coin are one of the strongest community out there. And if you look here where it says buy shape, why do you think they skipped some other top coins and then they added shape on here? That's tell you that this it has one of the biggest community and is one of the most talked about coin. And for it to be added here, you should know that it can actually pull some good money later if you decide to hold some of the tokens and stuff. So here you just have to just apply wisdom, and then you'll be able to know that some of these coins here will actually do well sooner or later. So in the community section, if I should click this link here, it should take me to the official Telegram group of this Binance site. If I should click this one here, it should take me to the official Facebook group. If I should click this Twitter link, it take me to the official Twitter group. And so this one here for Reddit, this one for Instagram, this one for CoinMarketCap, right? This one for Viki, and this one for YouTube. So whenever I keep my mouse on these links, you will see that the link will display down here. So that's just what it is and stuff. So after that section, you should see where it says start trading now. On the register button here, uh, if you click on this button here, it will just take you to a page where you have to fill in your details and then register for this platform, right? So on this thread, it means if you click here, it will just take you to a page where you have to log in, right? It's assumed you already registered on this site, on the Binance Trading site, and then you just need to log in, right? So it says get in touch, stay in touch, and stuff like that. Here, just 24 hours per 7 support. So most times they say 24 hours support per week and stuff like that. But let me just tell you this: there is a lot of delay in the Binance support um, services and stuff like that because of the queue, because of the traffic on this website. Sometimes it gets a delay to respond to somebody. So actually, but this is just where you can actually get support in case you're having difficulty or having a problem with the Binance platform. You can just actually click here and then you get to message them or chat with a live support on your problem. So here is a Binance blog where you get news and update from world leading cryptocurrency exchange community. Just join community you discuss about crypto career, help build the future technology, start your own career at Binance and stuff like that. So on this section, this is just like a glance of the Binance platform when it's on desktop, and this the like view when it's on mobile, right? So if you have an Android phone or iOS phone, just scan this directly and it take you to either Play Store or Apple Store where you'll be able to download this app, right? So here is just telling you that the app is on Apple Store. Here is just Mac OS and the API. Here is the API. Like if you wish to work with the Binance API, like I mean, if you're a developer and you wish to add, let's say maybe the Binance Trading charts and stuff like that, then you can actually click on this API here to take you to look at the link down here. It's binance.doc and github.io. You can just take you to the documentation of this Binance site where you get to see some already inbuilt imputed code and stuff like that. Where you can make use of them, add the trading chart to your site or your platform and stuff like that. And then if you wish to build a bot, there are people who want to trade, but they don't want to do the trade themselves. So they tend to like build, like some developers, they build trading bots, and those trading bots make use of these platforms. You understand? So there will be automatic trade every after some certain minutes or hours, considering the number of considering how volatile that particular crypto is, or there are some certain things. So if you wish to build a bot or make Binance chart display on your site, then as a developer, this is what you use API and stuff. Then here is just talking about the Android APK, Windows, Linux, Google Play, you know. So on the front page here where it says market trend, right? This here is just like they just listed like some of the top coins out there, right? This one here is BNB, right, which is the Binance native coin. Is Binance coin. And so as a platform, they have their coin, which is BNB, right? And the price right now is just 314.3 um, dollars, right? Then the BTC here is just Bitcoin, as you already know. This is how high it has gone, and this is the price right now, and this is the percentage change within the last 24 hours. You understand? So here is Ethereum and this price, Chili's, this price. Then here is Filecoin, this price, and ADA, Cardano, yeah. So this is the price. This price last change within the hour, right? So so here is just a brief news on what they will list and stuff like that. Binance will delist OST, RCN. Understand? Some projects after listing them, the the security team sometimes they tend to discover that those projects are not really clear, or they don't have they have a security glitch or challenge or stuff like that, or the developers are disappointed and stuff like that. So sometimes after listing a project, they can also delist that project. So you should always be able to look at some of these announcements side of the platform, so you get what is up in case you're holding this, right? And then you saw you didn't see this message and they delisted that coin. You might just lose your tokens and stuff like that, right? So here you just say buy and sell crypto in minutes, register, other blah blah blah, yes, the stuff like that. So now if I want to change this platform into night, this is the button here. I can just click this and then everything turns black, right? Everything turns dark. Sorry. So now you see everything is dark, and here is just language. If you wish to change your language to anyone, if you want to use Italiano, if you want to use Norsk, Poliski, and stuff like that, a lot of languages here. So if you want to change that Chinese and everything, you can just get it there. So here is where you can download, and as well it has brought out the scan. You can actually just scan here, download and stuff. So here now, this is like the menu side of the platform. So if you click here, it just brings exchange. These are the same things that we saw at the bottom of this site. You understand? So buy crypto. So now you can actually buy crypto on this site with a credit card, credit/debit card. If you have one, you can actually um, do P2P trading, which is you're buying from another person, or you're buying from so you're sending money to someone, person is releasing crypto for you or stuff like that. And then cash balance, you can actually fund cash through your bank to this site and then buy. Then third party payment, Simplex is one of the best third party payment for cryptocurrency. So it's actually legit, and you can actually buy crypto from there as well. So this here is just because this engine you see here is just because I'm in Nigeria, and that's what you see. But for example, I am in another place and the site can automatically detect this. I can just use this here, and then I'll change it to USDT. You understand? So it doesn't really matter what's here, but the site have to automatically detect the currency of the country where you are. So on market here, if you just click here, it just take you to market, right, where you can see currency pairs and stuff like that. So on trade, there is a place you can easily convert. If you're new to the platform and you don't feel like doing a lot, then there is a place you can easily convert your crypto. And here you can say classic. You can just click here, and it's very straightforward. You can just go straight up, maybe convert one or two crypto. And then here is advanced form of this classic here. You understand? Has full trading tools. You can actually do your analysis and stuff like that. Then so talking about margin trading, SP2P, stock tokens. It's actually a new bar here. and you can actually try to trade stocks with crypto. I think this is something new as it stays. You can see new here, right? This is something new. So maybe they are just trying to introduce stock market on this site. Wow, with crypto. I think that would be nice. And then here, say Binance features overview. You can just look at features and stuff. Or what is future trading? Future trading just like say leverage trading or stuff like that. So say USDT features, say coin M features, vanilla options, parallel and stuff. So these are just um some of the things on this Binance site, Binance Inc., Binance pools. You can actually mine and get rewarded and stuff. Crypto loan, you can take a loan from here, right? Take a loan, a crypto loan here. Here is a liquidity swap. Become a liquidity provider and in double. You understand? You can actually provide liquidity and then you in double. Like you just stake your money for some certain number of days or weeks or months for the platform to use the money for transactions and stuff, and then you get rewarded. So basically, that is the brief explanation of what is on this platform, or what is on this, what the interface of the site looks like. Then you can just go ahead and log in here, right? So when you want to log in, okay, let me just first, you can go ahead and register here. So on the Binance site, you can decide to register, go straight with your email or go straight with your phone. You understand? So you can just put your email here, choose a password. It says minimum of 8 characters, at least one uppercase, at least one number, right? So you just have to enter, for example, let's say your email is John Binance. Let me see, John Binance at gmail.com. So here it says it's a minimum of 8 characters, at least one uppercase, at least one number. So you can just say at least one character. You can just say capital E. Cap lock. You can just on your caps lock E, and then you just continue with the rest of the password, and you add a phone number. You add a single number. So you can just use something very very um very very um nice and difficult to guess and stuff like that. So a referral option here is a referral ID. In case someone referred you to the platform, you can just enter the code here, and then whenever you make trades, they get maybe commissioned, or after you have funded your account, they get some commission and stuff like that. So also there are terms and conditions here. So before you go ahead and create your account, you just have to click on these Binance terms like this. So you read their do's and don'ts and stuff like that. So Binance terms of use. You understand? So you can just go through every bit of this thing here. You understand some agreements and stuff. So you won't get to question them if they take some actions on your account and stuff. Okay, so if you choose to use mobile, you can just select your country code. Never select your country code. Automatically it will detect your IP address and to bring out the country code of place you are. So, but you can actually change or use anyone. So Norway here, New Zealand, Netherlands, Oman, Peru, Panama. There are a lot of countries. So from any of these countries, you can actually pick from here. You can pick from here. Then you enter your phone number, put the password, and then you enter. If you have a referral ID, you enter. It's optional. You read terms and conditions, then you create. Right. So I'm not going to create an account because I think I already have an account with Binance. So I'm not going to create an account, but I will be taking you straight up to the trading page, right? I'll be taking you straight up to the trading page. Here's also trade. You can say let's first so this classic. Yeah, so guys, this is a classic page. You understand? It's a classic page for the Binance platform. And here I just saying that this is the candle chart, candlestick chart for this particular pair here, which is Bitcoin slash USDT. You understand? So here is just the chart. You can actually look at it, um, analyze it and stuff like that before you go ahead and trade. You understand? So it's before you trade, it's nice you understand what market is um what market is talking about and stuff like that. So if you see here, it has I've put the chart on a single day, which means every candle on the graph here is just represent a single day, and then from here you see that this was the highest this BTC was at a couple of days ago, which was here. You see that it was up to 64K, right? $4,000, and everything has dropped to 34,000, so almost half of the price, right? And this is where we moved from. So that still moved from about 9K, and these are climbed from here, climb, and then there was a brief fall here, went up back again, and then boom, fell off the cliff, and then down to this extent here, right? So this is where we are right now. If you look at the price here, then compare the price here, you see that it's the same thing. That's what the price is right now. So also you can see here the highest has done within the last 24 hours, as well as high and the lowest recorded price. So the volume within the last 24 hours, the USDT volume, how many BTC were exchanged or traded within the last 24 hours, and then how many BTC, how many USDT were traded as pair. Right, so it's very easy. And also, if you wish to go to the platform to learn spot market trading, like you want to watch a video that talks about spot market trading from the Binance platform exactly, like you can just click the spot trading here, and then it will take you to do a quick video, and then from there you can also get some key knowledges on how to trade, or it will help you understand um, the concept of trading. So it's very easy. You understand? So here you can. These are just pairs. If you have logged in already, there'll be a place for favorite. These are some of the coins that you favorited, like Ethereum. Some of the pairs that you've added as your favorite pairs. You want them to always be at the top. You look at them. If you first click on this is what it brings out, and you see that most coins have done well. You see 10x, 3x, 5x, 3x, 3x, 3x. Like almost every coin has like doubled um, since the bull run started or stuff like that. Okay, so you can decide to click BNB. So every coin here will be listed, be traded against the BNB pair, right? You can see BTC and then BTC pair. Click Alt. You can choose Ethereum, Tron, any of them. Let's choose XRP, and then see how many XRP pairs we have. So it's TRX slash XRP. Okay. Choose Fiat, USDT, and then this is where most of the pairs are. USDT, like biggest stable coin. So the zone, DeFi, innovation, proof of stake, proof of work, storage, NTF, Polkadot, and all of that. So on this side of this platform here, it's just talking about the order, right? Some of the orders people are sending into the market. There's some of the sell orders. There's somebody here wants to sell 1.2 Bitcoin. at, see here, let's track this one here. Somebody wants to sell 1.2 for Bitcoin, another person wants to sell 1.29, and this is a what in dollars, right? Now there are people buying. You can see here, people are buying. Someone wants to buy 2 BTC, another person wants to buy. These are big traders. They're just shooting orders into the market, right? So whenever you place an order to buy and you want to use the market price, then this is what it will buy at. But some of these guys that are placing these orders here want to buy slightly or below the market price. So that's why the orders will come here, and then most of these orders you see here are limit orders. And some of them are OCO and stuff like that. So if you place an order to sell or buy, and someone else in the market here has this an order to also sell, and you place to buy, right? Then and your price is between the price that the person wants to sell, then this system will automatically like match up that trade and then fill part of it. If it is not the exact amount, it will just fill part of it. If it's the exact amount, it will just fill all. You understand? So here is just a spot cross 3x. It's talking about these are like margin trading features. Isolated 10x. It's like cross is like you using the whole balance to trade. Isolated like some part of your balance to trade, stuff like that. So we have normally two types of orders, which is limit, market, spot, limit order. You understand? So stop limit rather. This order is just for you to buy at a specific price. You understand? This is just a market order, right? Buying at exact market rate. Stop limit order. You want to go to spend and you can set stop limit at this special point. Decide to buy, gets to this, don't buy. So that's it. So you can actually this is like margin trading, right? So you can borrow funds and repair and stuff like that. So but all this can be done when you are logged in on this platform. Look at some of the market activities. There was a large this is a well, sign of a well. So you always hear that hear of wells and stuff like that. So these are just basic trading terms that just mean a large. There was a large buy here, well, see here. So large buy of this AXS is a large buy for BUSD. As you can see, 1, 2, 3 is over $143,000 or 1,000 BUSD. So this is a very large buy. Some of the, see here, some large buys. Large buy, 36 Ethereums. Wow, it's really big. Pullback and stuff like this. Like key activities. You can just look at it. Whew. So, so here is just about price, current price and stuff. So this is about the classic, and then you can go to trade again, then pick advanced. So on advanced tool, this is just the chart, right? But here, all the features are here. You can use trading view, right? You can use the Binance chart, which is this original here. You can change this instead of graphs, you just see depth. Understand? So, but this is very hard to understand. It's better to use the candle chart, right? So anytime you buy orders what's green here, so versus this one here, it just means price up and stuff like that. So it's always better to use original or use trading view. Understand? So on this trading view, right, it has like almost all the tools. If you want to draw um Good. So if you want to draw a support, trend line, support and resistance and stuff like that, then you can actually make use of these tools here. Click. So you can make use of this here. You can just get some of the things that you want to do and stuff. So here you can actually draw your use this to analyze the market the way you want, and then from there you can decide to take any decision that you want to take. So here these are some of the tools, and these tools are coming from Trading View, right? So you can do that. This explanation is the same with the one I did on the basic, sorry, classic, right? So it's the same. So, but before doing anything on here, you have to actually log in or register to do that. So also this place is place you see your open orders. Whenever you shoot an order or create an order here to buy or sell, it come here. Once it is executed, then need to go to order history or trade history. Then funds show out like movement of funds in the account, and that's all. So I can also use anything I want. So now if you click on this, I can just turn it white. Yeah, so dark. Also, I prefer is dark. So I can just change those traditional colors, but I don't like that. So I'm gonna go with fresh. Um, so a lot of things you can set turn off some features if you feel like. So right now I'm just gonna click back. So I'll go to the original. Yeah, so I'm just like trying to explain to you the interface and stuff like that. So here is just the order book, and it's also the same with what I told you about, where you get orders, buy and sell orders, matching each other and stuff like that. So that is it. And if you wish to chat support, you can just click here. Then you get to message support and talk to them about your complaint or your problem. So it's very easy, but I don't need this now. So I'm gonna close that. So basically that is it, and most times I do advise guys like if you're just starting up this and you want to like earn money without actually doing trading or stressing yourself, then it's better you just come to this Binance pool, right? Come to the pool. So there is POW, proof of work, right? There are steady, it's a secure and transparent, it's a steady earning company services. So, but if you're logged in, you will see the whole platform, what it's all about. There will be savings, investment, and stuff like that. A lot of activities are going on here. So once you have your account, just try to log in and get some of these activities right. So here you see that you can also view the tutorial here, so you can be able to mine with these people here and then earn some good money. So calculation here, the hash rate. Mm, 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 mm. Let's check the video here. So this is Bitcoin was first conceptualized by the legendary Satoshi Nakamoto, which is an unknown person, nobody knows guy. Designed open source platform. Bitcoin was built. Bitcoin is a type of P2P virtual cryptocurrency encrypted. Bitcoin uses a SHA 256 encryption algorithm and has a total of 21 million tokens, right? Which already they have mined 18 out of it. So just 3 million remaining to mine. Typically, one block is generated every 10 minutes, and the reward is cut in half every 210 blocks, right? So that is if a block is generated every 10 minutes and the reward is cut into half for every 210 blocks. Okay, that's it. Presently, most mining pools put transfer fee into miners into additional block reward. What you need to start mining: mining hardware, mining hardware, miner, power source, network cable, and a PC to manage the miner. In the Binance mining pool, create a mining account, right, and obtain the miner IP address, the pool URL. So there's a pool URL, right? These are the new support port. This is a, create a worker username in the Binance mining pool. So now this is for people who wish to mine, you understand? So you can just do the configuration here. Turn on the miner, connect it to the same network as the PC, use to manage the worker, use the IP retriever software to obtain the miner IP address. You understand? So you can just put in details and stuff like that. Confirm that the information is correct. So but before doing this, you really have to check the cost of one ant miner. So say one ant miner. It's miner S. I think that one is letters and stuff like that. So I think it's available on some Amazon. So you see, oh my god, wow, $10,000 for one. This is crazy. So for those who wish to mine Bitcoin, here's a Bitcoin miner machine, right? So from here you can just do 20 volts and so this is what you need to mine BTC. So you can just get this small guy. This is for Ethereum mining rig, and you can actually mine tokens if you wish. Wow, this is expensive. Expensive. But this is how to configure your anti-miner, configure your miner on your laptop and stuff like that. So you can actually do this yourself. It's very easy. So come back here to mining pool. So if you decide to do this, as if you want to use this, you can mine Ethereum. And, how many? So you have 91,800 active workers already. Let's check this one. Let's see. 100,000 image per second. Twitter mining fee, PPS, payout time, so it's daily. I think Okay, so statistics. Some of the features that you actually have to log in to see them. You will need to log in to see them. So about this, it's so if you wish to go into mining pools, that's how you do it. So let's check this Binance A. So here's stacking. Expand all. So guys, that is it about this whole Binance platform actually. So you you are still limited because for you to see every feature, you have to still like be able to log in. So once your account is ready and you're logged in, you see some of the other features that you can't see right now. So once you log in, you can actually see them. So it's very easy. All currency pairs and stuff. I'm trying to log in. Yep, so I think I'm logged in now. It's going to refresh. It's going to refresh. Yeah, so I'm logged in right now. Oh, deposit successful. 1 day ago, 1 day ago. So those are some of the deposits done in the last day. Okay, you see my balance and stuff. So let's go to Binance A. Wow. So I can lock some BNB here for 30 days and I get some good money. But before doing this, you just have to transfer some BNB into this. You need to have some BNB. Then tell you the start, the stake date, the value, interest period is 1 day. Interest end period, redemption day, single day redemption. So every after 24 hours, you'll be getting some returns and stuff like that. So the minimum is this, and the maximum is 8,810 BNB. Whoa, that's a lot. That's a lot. Or a lot of tokens here, so you can just take anyone you wish. Dodo, Polkadot. So guys, you can just decide to lock any of these things, just take any of these. That's if you have them in your portfolio, but I think I don't have any of this in my portfolio, so I won't be doing that right now. But if I have any of these coins, this will stake, this percentage return, number of days you wish to stake, and this is the return. You understand? Return. Minimum locked amount, sorry, stuff. So very easy. It's quite easy. So let's look at this Binance crypto law. So I want to borrow BUSD collateral amount XRP. See. I want to borrow 500. So if I should pay earlier, there is no interest penalty for that. So for that days total interest amount will be 7 BUSD. Repayment amount, these are what I have to prepare, right? Hourly and daily interest rate. This is cool. So I can actually borrow XRP from Binance. So in essence, I can take loan here. So I can take $1,000, 1,000, boom here. So this is my collateral. If this period expire and I'm unable to create a loan request, collateral transfer from spot amount and receive loan in spot amount. So I'm gonna give them this collateral until I pay my loan. I get back repay at any time. Receive collateral in spot account. So once I'm able to repay, then my collateral will go back to my spot account. But if I'm not able to pay, this 1,000 BUSD is just like the price for this amount of XRP right now. So that's it. So if I should click on this start borrowing, that's what happens, right? Just click on the start borrowing. So say 100. So 7 days. 100. This will pay. It's collateral to take out to 268 here. Click on start borrowing and let's see. Hourly interest rate. So there's it. Nah, I don't want to do this. Nah, I don't want to do this. Nah. So it all depends on what you want to use the money for. You can take loan here. Oh my god, since you only have 9,500 for 3x RP. Okay. So, nope, won't be doing that. But I can try. Okay. 6,000. Okay, maximum is 2,500. So let's say 2,000, which these guys are going to take. These guys will take 5,362 BNB as collateral, and in 7 days, I'm gonna pay with the interest of 7 USD. But let's say 90 days, and I'm paying with the interest of 89 BUSD. And this is a serious thing here to do. This is a very serious thing to do. So, but if you wish to borrow, it's very easy. So you can just go ahead and borrow. You just make sure you pay in time because they have their own terms. What qualification those users have to meet to borrow from Binance. See, as long as you're a registered user of Binance, you can borrow on Binance Loan. So you say, what crypto can users borrow on Binance Loan? Binance Loan supports borrowing of several blah 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 along. How do I pay? Oh my god, what's up with this rooster, man? Can I adjust? What happens for my loan is overdue? We give an overdue duration of 72 hours for loan term 7 days and 14 days, and 102 hours for long term 30 and 90 days, during which you'll be charged 3 times the hourly rate. If you do not repay after overdue duration, we will liquidate your collateral to repay your loan. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So on how I borrow this amount in BUSD, right, and I'm unable to pay, after this pay this so period of 90 days has how many months? 3 months. So 3 months I'll be giving Binance the an interest of $89 if I should take $2,000 from them. That's 89 BUSD if I should take 2,000 BUSD from them, and then they will hold some of my XRP as a collateral. Oh no, I can't do that. So they're going to hold this money, and then hold this amount of XRP until I pay back this money. Then what they will do is give me back my money. I think this is good, but very risky because if you're unable to pay at time, you get liquidated. But for 3 months, if you have this money here, and you should be able to get something. I just first click on start borrowing, sign an agreement, and then confirm. Boom. Then you are in it. This is the interest rate. This is expiry. 90 days, long term, collateral. I think I'm not done this. So, but I'm just trying to explain to you that's how you can do this borrowing stuff, and it's very, very easy. Extremely, extremely easy to do. So, guys, thanks. That's it about the stuffs. But this is one of the quickest way to grow your Binance account, taking loans, and of course, you just make sure that there are loans you're sure you'll be able to pay, right? So you can take any loan if you want, but actually I just want $200, 200 BUSD. So they're gonna take 536 XRP, and this is interest 0.6 in 7 days. In 14 days, what will it take? Just 1.3. Oh no, 30 days. Oh, just 2.9 BUSD, and I'm taking 200, right? So you see, very favorable and easy. So if you feel like you want to consider this, because it's one of the biggest way to grow up your minus scale as fast as possible, you can actually go for this. But advice, make sure you have something good to use money for. Alright guys, so see you on my next video. Thanks for watching.